Hey guys, welcome back to BlueWhaleCrypto. Today in this video we will talk about Bitcoin. We will talk about some of the altcoins. I'll inform you what could be the possible next move in the coming week, which are the things that we need to make sure in order to stay profitable. So if you haven't subscribed the channel, do make sure to subscribe my channel and as well as press the bell icon to get all the notification as soon as I upload the video. Alright guys, let's get into it. First thing first that we will talk about as usual, it's Bitcoin. So in the previous two videos, I informed you about Bitcoin that we can possibly go low and what could be the possible good setup for the Bitcoin. I informed you about that. And if you see, we are already down by 5.7 percent. I told you this would be the area of interest where we can book all of the profits. Why is that? You can see that yourself. I'll make it straight. So with a straight line from here, this is a local support for the Bitcoin as of now, and due to which Bitcoin took a support to this area and now is trying to jump back in. In order to get a further upside movement or a downside movement, what we need is, we first need Bitcoin to give a closure above this level. Okay, what is this level? This level is 21,600 to $500. $21,500 is a good support area for Bitcoin, which needs to hold. Okay, if we don't see the Bitcoin is not holding that area, in that case we can see a downfall towards $20,500, probably around $1,000 to $1,500, a downfall that we can see inside the price of Bitcoin. And there are many possibilities that we can see as on the 14th of Feb, the CPI numbers are coming out. If possible, I will be providing a separate video on that and what could be what we are expecting, what I am expecting, and how we will be making our trades based on that in the coming video. All right, so let's it was all about Bitcoin as of now. If we get a break above $21,690, I'm sorry, as 21,700, then in that case we can see that yes, we need a good closing above this level. Okay, not a fake out, not like this. All right, if we get a good closing right here, then we can come for a retest and then we can look for a upside move inside the price of Bitcoin, where I will be providing a perfect setup for the Bitcoin. We do try to take a scalp long position yesterday, and it gave us probably like 50% profit, and I was out of the trade with the trailing stop loss. Okay, because it was a scalping trade. But right now Bitcoin is at the support area. Maybe if we're not able to hold this area, the next support area could be $20,500, as I informed you previously, and the next one would be probably around $19,000. So these are the support areas that we are talking about. Coming up with the next that I will talk about is BNB, because we've been holding this short setup. I also took a hedge long towards my short, as my short already was printing pretty good. I booked a lot of out of it, and I took a scalp long. So where I took, I also going to inform you that. Okay, you can see it's a perfect scalping. Let me take you in a different chart so that you can understand what's going on. All right, so what we are watching right now is BNB is being trading inside this channel. Okay, so what I did personally, so the first time BNB went this low, it was at the support that I informed you earlier. When again it came to the support area, I took a long position. I closed my longs right here, and then I didn't put any other longs because I already booked a good amount of scalping profit for the day, so I didn't try to grab much. Now in order to get any more confirmation in the BNB, what we need is we need a closure above this area. Okay, once we get a close about 208.5, a good closing about this range, then we can look for this high. What will be the percentage? This amount of profit we took inside the shorts, the same amount of profit we can take inside the longs. And meanwhile, what we can keep is we can keep our shorts open, and if we can just keep our shorts with a trailing stop loss. So on both the sides we will be getting profits. Coming up with the next that we will talk about is Ethereum. Ethereum has done pretty well after my update. So this is also a good support area. Alright, this is a good support area for Ethereum. In order to get a bounce back, what we need is we need a closure above this range. Let's remove all of the old ones. So if you're looking for a new setup inside the Ethereum, as it's a weekend, I would not going to be taking any setups as of now, because the financial markets are not open right now. So taking a trade right now here, it would not be my thing. But still, if you are looking for a setup, this could be a profitable setup for Ethereum in the coming days. Okay, you can book your profits right here. Our shorts had already provided us a immense amount of profit. Now if you're looking for a long position, you can build your position inside this pink box, where you can pay you can build your positions inside here. It goes like this, and then we can see upside move inside the price of Ethereum. Now the most important that you need to give a consideration is DXY. So DXY is not open right now. You can just simply, I will explain you on a daily basis, because this is what gonna affect the price of Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market, and as well as the stock markets. What we are seeing right now is this is a huge support and resistance area for the DXY, that is dollar index. And after a great consolidation inside this channel, what we have seen is we got a breakout. Okay, so what was the breakout size? Let me show you that as well. I'm sorry. Should be right here. All right, let me just show you this way. So if you calculate from the top to the bottom, it's probably around 10.90%. All right, and the move that we have already caught from the DXY is probably the same, 11.28%. So the same amount of range that we've been bound in, and we have got that upside move. Now the DXY had came back to the major support area that has been acting as a resistance previously. If you see, this was acting as a resistance previously. Now it can act as a support for the DXY. So in order to get a bullish momentum inside the price of Bitcoin and the crypto market, what we need is we need a closure below this area, this pink box. If we get on the Monday, if we get a rejection from the top, if we get a rejection from the top, in that case we will revisit this lows, and then we might can go up till 14th of Feb. Why I'm saying that is because CPI numbers are coming, and it could be possible that this time, because previously all this time we have been getting good numbers below the mark, and the inflation was getting into the shape. But we should not be overconfident about it, and we should need to keep all things in mind while you are trading. We should need to think about the worst first before thinking about the best. All right. So in this case, if we get a closure above this level, then it will be very bad for the crypto market, and we can visit the lows again, like 19,000, 17,000, and so on. Okay, and if we get a rejection from this area, we are already at a crucial zone. So if we get a rejection and then we visit this low and then we go upside, and again if we go break down, then in that case we can see a good beautiful rally inside the price of Bitcoin and rest of the crypto market. I believe every one of you have got a good idea about the market. As soon as I get any other setups, I will surely gonna share it on my Telegram channel. Do make sure to join it in my description. The link is down in the description. Do make sure to join it, and as well as I'll be informing you detailed information about the setups on my YouTube channel, why we are taking it, and how much range I will be trying to book my profits. Every single thing would be provided to you each and every day. For this, just make sure to give me a like and show your love in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.